Hello, Peter checking in again. This is the meditation series number 19. We're on number 19 now. You can share what you learn about meditation. I've had some wonderful stories of people coming back to me through the Qigong classes and through the courses I teach online of saying, well, actually I started to teach my techniques that I've learned from you with my family, my friends, and you get a second wave of people that you've helped. Incredible stuff. So the more techniques that you learn, the more you can empower other people for their lives as well. And it's a win-win situation. It keeps growing and spreading. As all of us connect more with ourselves, we can connect more with other people and even connect more with other people outside of that. So it's a really important thing for all of us to consider, is to really connect with ourselves and then share that information. I think that's the most important thing, share. We love to share as human beings. When we have a great experience in our lives, what's the first thing we want to do? We want to share it with other people. Meditation can be an amazing experience. So really focus for yourself and then share it with other people. It's a wonderful thing. If you haven't tried it already, there's a 5 meditation technique webinar that you just click the link below and it's absolutely free. You can give it a go. You learn 5 meditation techniques, which is awesome. Or if you want to try a Qigong class, you can hit the notification button and subscription button. You'll get notifications for the Qigong classes coming up and any other videos that are put onto this channel, which will be great to see you. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.